Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit and trim videos that are live on YouTube. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is click on your face icon on the top right, and we're going to be coming to our Creator Studio. Once your Creator Studio loads up, we're going to be selecting and editing any video that you wish. If you want to see your full selection of videos, simply click on the video manager right here. But I already know this video right here is what I want to edit. Simply click on the edit tab right here and you'll be brought to the editing section where we're going to get some more options that we're going to be able to look at. Once we're here, we're going to be coming to the top right here beside the info and setting, and we're going to be coming to the enhancements tab right here. Click this open and then you'll be given a bunch of different options where we can edit a bunch of different things on our YouTube video that's already live. In this case, we're going to be focusing specifically on the trim tool and how to trim, cut and play around with your video. To do this, what you're going to do is come to the trim option right here, and we're going to get some extra options pop up on the bottom. I'm going to pause the video for playing right here, right now. This is just a sample video that I'm going to be using just for the sake of this tutorial, but I'm going to be showing you a couple different things that we can do. The first thing we can do is trim the start or the end of our clips. To do this, all we need to do is come to the start or the end and click on these blue boxes and drag them to the point of where we want our video to actually start playing. As you can tell, we just trimmed the first couple of seconds off here, and we can easily revert this by bringing it back, or if we click the clear button down here at the bottom, it will remove all trims. If you want to trim at the end of the video, like I said, just come to the blue box at the end and just trim it back for however long you want to remove it back. And if we want to trim something in the middle, all you want to do is click on a point of where you want your video timeline to be. Click the split option right here, and then our video will split at these 2 points in our timeline. So as you can tell, we have two different separate tracks right here. So let's say I want to split this option. All I want to do is click to the point where I want to split the track again. I'm going to be splitting the track on the playhead, and then I'm going to be left with 3 separate video sections on our video. And then to remove one of these, all you want to do is select the section you want to remove, and a little X button will appear above it. Click the X button, and then your section will be removed. It's really easy to trim this further. If you want to select either of your sections, grab one of the blue boxes and just trim back. Let's say I'm happy here. Click the done button and then you'll get a preview of your video. You'll see all the changes made. You'll see the video is shorter. Once you're happy with all of your settings, simply come up to the save button on the top right. After clicking the save button, YouTube will give you one final warning saying that while edits are being processed, users will continue to see the current version of the video. Like I said previously, videos might not necessarily be updated automatically, so these changes can take some time. But anyway, click save, your YouTube changes will be saved. You'll be redirected back to your video manager page where you'll see the edit is currently in progress in your thumbnail, and then your video will be updated automatically once these changes have been completed. Anyway guys, it's that easy to edit and trim videos that are already live on YouTube. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new. Check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to leave a link down below to my PayPal if you found this video helpful and you want to support me. Of course, there's no pressure if you can't. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.